In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change the publication date of a blog post on Squarespace. Whether you're looking to update an older post for a fresh look or correct a mistake, altering the publication date is a simple process. Let's dive into it. First, you'll want to be on your Squarespace dashboard. Once there, take a look at the left-hand menu. You'll need to navigate to the website section, and from there, click on Pages. This is your starting point for accessing all the content on your site, including your blog posts. Next, you'll find your blog page. Click on it to open up the list of all your blog posts. You should see a side panel or a main visual view displaying all your articles. Now, locate the specific blog post whose publication date you wish to change. This could be an article you published recently or perhaps something from a while back that needs a date tweak. Once you've found the blog post, hover over its listing. You'll notice 3 dots appear, commonly known as the More Options button. Click on these dots and then select Settings from the drop-down menu. This action will open the settings window for your post, which is where the magic happens. In the settings window, make sure you're on the Content tab. This tab is where you can adjust various elements of your blog post, including its publication status and date. Look for the section labeled Status or Published. This is where the current date and time of your post's publication are displayed. To change the date, click on the displayed date and time. A calendar drop-down interface will appear, giving you the option to select a new date. You can click through the months and change the year if needed. Once you've chosen your new date, don't forget to adjust the time as well. This is particularly useful if you want your post to appear at a specific time of day. After you've set the new date and time to your liking, make sure to click Save. This step is crucial to ensure that your changes are applied. Once saved, your blog post will reflect the new publication date and time, appearing as if it were published at this updated moment. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the publication date of your blog post on Squarespace. This feature is particularly handy for maintaining a consistent look and feel on your blog, or simply updating older content to keep it relevant. Remember, keeping your content up to date can improve your site's engagement and SEO performance, making these small tweaks quite beneficial. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes managing your Squarespace blog just that little bit easier. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore more of our helpful tutorials. Until next time, happy blogging.